In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install an outdoor faucet cover. Easy and simple. And this is so simple, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. So you're looking to protect your outdoor faucet from freezing and creating hundreds or thousands of frozen pipe damage. This can be an easy and cheap solution to help you with that. This is something that you could get on the department store or hardware store for under $5. This particular one that we got is a hard shell that we got for about $3 and some change. There are softer shells that go for under $3. And basically what it is a styrofoam insulation on the inside made to fit the faucet with a string attached to it. So the first thing that we're going to do is look on the inside of the cover, and we're going to see where the string starts. And it starts with a loop that we're going to go ahead and loop it around the faucet. And you want to make sure you loop it around the hard part of your faucet and not a part that turns. Because the last thing we want on a cold day is to get sprayed with cold water and become a human popsicle. Then we want to go ahead and cover the faucet with the faucet cover. Then basically what we're going to do is pull the string to make a tight seal. If you notice, at the end of the string we have a button that you press that's going to latch and tighten to the string. It does have a rubber washer that covers the hole where the string comes out from, and this is going to help to make a tighter seal. And if you ever want to release the cover, then you would go ahead and press the button that would release the tension and would loosen the string. And finally, having the cover come off. And a pro tip, remember, this is something just to help your faucet from not freezing. But like many things in life, it's not 100% guaranteed. But any precaution or help that we may take, it's gonna help us out. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.